If you want to gain a lot of followers on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, but you don't want to show your face, the best way to start your content creation journey is by creating a faceless YouTube or TikTok channel. There are a lot of faceless niches for this. Among all those niches, the best and easiest niche is the quiz niche. The crazy thing is this niche has the highest engagement rate and watch time, therefore going viral is easier than other niches. Another good thing about this niche is that there are a lot of sub-niches for this niche. Quiz related to science, history, common knowledge, and more. So, basically, video ideas are limitless. You will not run out of ideas. That's why I personally like this niche. TikTok pages like Quiz Extreme have gained around 1.4 million followers with this niche, and if you check this page, you can find around 30 videos with more than millions of views. Monkey Quiz is one of the successful YouTube channels in this niche. It has around 140k subscribers. So, you can easily understand that this niche is a very successful niche. I created a video about how to make quiz videos for this niche manually several months ago. A lot of my viewers said that the process is very time-consuming. That's why I decided to create this video. In this video, I will show you an AI video generator that you can use to create these quiz videos within seconds. First, let me show you an example quiz video I created using this AI.
What is the force that holds atoms together? Electromagnetic force. Which organ in the human body is responsible for filtering waste from the blood? Kidneys. What is the process by which plants make their food called? Photosynthesis. What is the closest planet to the sun? Mercury. Which of the following is not a state of matter? Flame. Which gas do plants use to produce oxygen during photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide. What is the function of white blood cells in the human body? Fight infections. What is the smallest unit of matter? An atom.
I created that video using vsub.io. It's an AI short video generator where you can generate 100% unique videos for any niche. More than 50,000 creators are using this AI for their video creation. You can make videos in anime style, comic style, 3D animation style, and more. Not like other AI tools, this AI offers templates to create videos such as Would You Rather, Reddit stories, fake chat stories, and quizzes. So if you are planning to start a new channel with those niches, this AI tool is good for that. Not only video creation, you can simply use this AI tool to generate captions for your existing videos. Let me show you how I created that quiz video with this AI tool. First, you need to select this quiz option. If you want to create videos in a different language, you can use this option to change the language. As you can see here, they offer two types of templates, standard and multi-level. You have probably seen multi-level quizzes on TikTok and YouTube. First, let's try the standard template, and then we can go to the multi-level option. Then, you need to add the questions. This AI tool has the ability to generate quizzes and answers. You just need to enter the category. I think it's really good because you have both options where you can manually add questions and generate questions. So, I'm going to go with the science category, and let's generate the questions. As you can see here, we have some amazing questions. If you don't like the questions you get, you can use ChatGPT to generate some questions related to your niche and manually add questions here. It's really simple. You can also add comment sentences in between questions. Just click this comment option and type it. In this case, I'm going to type, "If you get all the answers, you are a genius." You can add more creative and engaging comments for this. Then, go to Settings from the top menu. Here you can change the AI voices. This AI tool gives access to all the popular AI voices in 11 labs. So, select a good AI voice from these. I'm going to go with the famous AI voice, Adam. Here you can also edit the background image options. After setting up all these, you can click this Continue button and it will generate the video. Within a few seconds, this AI will generate your video. Then, you will come to this page. You can edit all the things here: voice, questions, text style, timer style, and more. If you go to this content option, you can edit or replace the questions. Then, if you go to this video option from the top menu, you can edit the background video. They have several stock video options. Also, you can add gameplay videos as the background video. Go to this gameplay marketplace, and you can select any gameplay video from these. Then, you can add these to the private video collection. Then go to this private video option, and replace the background video with the new one. If you want, you can upload your own background videos for this as well. Then, go to this music option. Here you can add background music from these audios, or you can upload background music to this video. It's really simple. Now, if you go to this tool, there is an option where you can upload your channel's logo to this video as well. After you edit all these details, you can simply download the final video. I think this AI is really good if you are planning to have an automated quiz-related YouTube channel. Now, let's try the multi-level quizzes as well. Just like we did before, you can select the language of the video, and let's select the multi-level template. Again, I'm going to ask this AI to generate questions. This time, let's go with general knowledge. As you can see here, we have some amazing questions for these 3 levels. Again, if you don't like these questions, you can always replace them with your own questions. And let's select another AI voice from the settings and we can generate the video.
Who painted the Mona Lisa? Leonardo da Vinci. What is the largest mammal on Earth? Blue whale. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. What is the tallest mountain in the world? Mount Everest.
This is amazing. Just like we did before, you can change the background video and add background music to this video. I honestly think that this AI tool is one of the best and most valuable AI tools for faceless content creators. It's because if we use Canva or CapCut to create a video like this, it will probably take around 1 hour to make a video. But with this AI tool, we can do that in several minutes. You can maintain your consistency with this AI tool. Not only for the quiz niche, it is suitable for any niche. If you think this AI tool is valuable for your content creation journey, use the link in the description and use this promo code to get a 10% discount. They have 3 plans. The first one is the starter plan for $29, which includes 5,000 credits, which is enough for around 20 videos, and you can export videos up to 2 minutes duration. The next one is the Pro plan for $49. It has 1,000 credits per month, and you can export videos up to 10 minutes. Finally, they have this premium plan for $99 with 25,000 credits. The crazy thing is, this AI has offered lifetime package for $490. If you are interested in that, you can check it. You can cancel the subscription at any time, no hidden fees. So with that, today's video has come to an end. I will see you guys in the next video.